Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Yet another university in India has announced to hold the UG and the PG exam online. Now Guwahati University to hold the UG and the PG examination for the even semester in an online mode. The details of which has been highlighted that the PG exams will be conducted from 1st and 15th of June while the undergraduate examination will commence from the second week of June. Now as per the circular given by Guwahati University, they have decided to conduct the examination of the UG as well as the PG examination in an open book system in an online mode in the month of June. The decision was taken during the online meeting which was held on 7th of May, headed by the Vice Chancellor of the university. The respective principals and the head of institutions were present, and it was also decided to give a study break to the students with respect to the students appearing for the even semester examination. The university has also opened up its academic and administration office from 8th of May, and 50% of the employees are reporting back to the campus. Now, as per the notification which was given, it has been clearly given that all hostels will remain closed for this particular period, and the staff members will be available over phone and email and to be contacted only in case of certain emergencies. If I go through the Times of India report with respect to Guwahati University to conduct UG and PG exams in online mode, it has been very clearly said that the examination will be starting from 1st of June 2021 to 15th of June 2021, while the UG examination will be in the second week. And it has been said that a committee has been constituted in order to streamline the process of examination to be fixed by the controller of examination. And it has been notified that the university will issue a detailed notification relating to the standard operating procedure of the examination, which requires to be conducted through an online mode, which is an open book examination. However, the Times of India reported that the first time in the history that Guwahati University to hold all examination through online system. Now what this open book system, it has been clearly defined, and it says that under the open book system, students will be able to refer books, notes and other study materials to answer the questions. That means to say it is not a proctored examination, and it is almost 5,000 postgraduate students and 350 colleges under the Guwahati University, over 2.5 lakh students are supposed to appear for the examination. And it has been also said that it has been decided in the meeting that all pending examination will be held in an open book system in an online mode only. It had been said that many of the areas has been declared as a containment zone, so students from those areas will not be able to attend any physical examination, and that is one of the reasons why they are conducting an open book examination. Therefore, there has been 3 universities which has already given the dates for examination. First is the Madhya Pradesh University, which has gone for an open book examination. Jawaharlal Nehru University has gone for an online proctored examination, and Guwahati University recently announced it will go for an open book examination. This is an important information which I feel like sharing with you all. Moreover, any videos relating to information, education and other details, you will get updated information from this channel. So would request viewers to be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you, take care.